Thank you for joining me at Kalei's for lunch today. I highly recommend you catering your event with Kalei's. Just make sure you order enough, it's going to be very popular. I had them pack my order to go. I'm going to take it home and eat that for dinner. Thank you for joining me at Kalei's to pick up my dinner. I ordered the garlic chicken on the left and the hurricane chicken on the right, which you can see I was munching on that all the way home. Both of these are phenomenal. I hope you can try it for yourself.